Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, I am excited to share with you this extension rod or selfie stick by FlyMile. And I'm going to tell you the reason I ordered it, because it had particular features that I wanted. Number one, it has this quick release that works on all the Action DJI Action cameras. I like it because it has this ball adjustment and you can go forward with it. It has the shoe mount on the side so you can put a light or a mic. I ordered it because I want to be able to put a light there. The other reason that I ordered it is because it has a little button on the bottom that opens the tripod so that you can do it actually with one hand if you need to. Okay, without the camera on it, it is about 8 inches. With the camera on it, it is about 10 inches. So if you need to put it in a bag and you're looking for that information, there you have it. It does have non-slip on the bottoms, which is great. And it extends to 21 inches. This is a great selfie stick, and those are the features that I ordered it for. Like I said, the adjustment, the mount, and the button on the bottom, and this works out really well. Hope this helps you out. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!